Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in and ready. First, open YouTube Studio and go straight to Content. This shows every upload. Once there, use the visibility filter to isolate private or unlisted videos so you don't scroll forever. Select the hidden video immediately. You'll see its row controls. Make sure you're on the correct channel if you manage multiple channels, because editing the wrong channel won't unhide the target video. Now change the visibility. Open the video details and locate the visibility option on the right. It defaults to private for hidden clips. Choose public to fully unhide or unlisted if you want limited sharing. Public makes the video searchable, unlisted does not. Once you pick a new status, hit save. If you need bulk changes, select multiple videos in the content list and use the edit menu to set visibility for all select. Finish by confirming the change. Open the video link in an incognito window or ask someone not signed into your account to view it. If the video still appears hidden, make sure you save changes and that you have editor or manager permissions on the channel. Also verify there are no copyright claims, community guideline strikes, or scheduled publish dates blocking visibility. If edits won't apply, refresh, clear cache, or retry from another browser. Escalate to YouTube support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.